what to do if your door lock or deadbolt is being a real pain in the ass. Freaking, and you have to like push it to open the door or close it. It's loose right now, but that's only because I'm working on it. Problem is, it is, as you probably know, is hitting this metal piece instead of the wood part. So to do this, I'm just gonna... Step. You gotta do. Follow me. You have to wedge this in. You have to wedge it, and you have to push this down, and you have to make it flush. And make it flush. You can check by closing the door, drawing some marks with pencil here, to see where the deadbolt comes together with the wood. You make flush the door and the lock. The door and the lock need to be flush for proper door lock. We're done. Take the piece like this and hammer it in and then wedge it so that it's flush with the wood part. Can definitely see cleared the bottom here. I guess I can, so it's hitting the side. The bottom is definitely low enough. It's definitely still scraping against the side. Alright, so I tighten this screw. Just push this as far as you can left. If not, dig out some room. I also used a nail to dig out the edges. Just push it down to make sure this is flush. That's flush. You gotta put it on and you gotta test it out. It was smooth.